Same color bond.
Electrostatic potential and capacitance. These are the topics. First part, introduction, electrostatic potential, electric potential difference, electric potential due to point charge, electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole, and this one, all those things. Today target is this much will be there, but morning I lost now already N4 to here over. So this one, next class I will define them. Right, ma. First one, introduction. First one is introduction. Right, introduction mean electrostatics. Electrostatics mean, so this is the what is that electrostatics? The charge is at rest. The charge is at rest. The study of charge. The study of charge at rest is known as electrostatics. And also I told very clearly, the charge experienced and produces electric force and potential, yes or no, and field, like the definition I given. Did you remember? That means charge can produces and experiences force over already, field over already. In second chapter, we will learn completely about potential. About potential. Therefore, what is potential? What is potential? Where we will observe potential? In the electric field only. In the electric field. Right? So that is the first point. And the second point. Second point is about charge I have given again. Second point is conservative and non-conservative. Conservative and non-conservative forces. Conservative and non-conservative forces. Correct? You know already. What is the meaning of conservative? What is the meaning of conservative? Fast. Conservative is nothing but it is the independent of path. Independent of path. It is do not depends on path. It is depends on only initial and final position. Initial and final position. That is known as conservative field. As a conservative field, the work done is happen. The work done is depends upon only initial and final position. Initial and final position. It is do not depends on path. Any direction. For example, here this is the Q naught will be there. That is the Q naught. Now Q naught we want to bring from where infinity to where the electric field is having experienced. That means this is the strength of field of electric field. Correct? Field of discharged body. Field of this charged body. That means this body is occupied this much area, total area. Now this Q naught we want to bring from infinity to this point. Correct? When it is reach the Q naught, when it is reach the point P, this one also positive, this one also positive, then what would be happen? It can repel in backward direction. Backward direction. For example, this is the Midas. Then what happened? It is attracted by this one. Attracted by this one. Correct, Raga? That means this charge can move from infinity to this point. Either direction, any direction. Initial position and final position. Right? The work done is only depends on initial and final position. That is known as conservative field. That's what here most important here. Electrostatic field is the conservative field. Conservative field. You know, gravitational field also. Gravitational field also conservative. Electrostatic also conservative. It is do not depends upon path. Friction is non-conservative force. It depends upon path only, right? Kataranga. So spring depends upon path. Correct? So this is non-conservative, but conservative mean it is depends on only initial and final position. Do not depends on any path. Initial and final position. That is a conservative and non-conservative. Is a small introduction about this one. So that in this chapter we will discuss about completely electrostatic potential and potential energy as well as capacitance. Capacitance, why sir capacitance came in this picture? Why? Because capacitors depends on potential. What is the formula? Capacitance formula: C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. Q is the charge, V is the potential. C is the capacitance. That's what capacitance are. Depends on potential. That's what in this chapter we will discuss about. First topic is potential. Second topic is potential energy. Third topic is capacitor. Total 3 subtopics are there: potential, potential energy, and capacitance. Alright? Okay. Today I can finish potential. This is the small introduction topic. Introduction of electrostatic potential. Right? Second one. What is second one? Electrostatic potential. Electrostatic potential, electric potential, all are same only. Electric potential, electrostatic potential, all are same. Right? What is the meaning of electrostatic potential? Right? Very good. This is the amount of work done. The amount of work done in bringing the unit positive test charge from infinity to that point without acceleration. Remember, without acceleration, from infinity to that point, against the electric field. Against the electric field is known as electrostatic potential. Is known as electrostatic potential. Amount of work done to bringing in the unit positive test charge from infinity to that point against the electric field is called electrostatic potential. Electrostatic potential. Alright? For example, here, so one point I will come. This is the positive charge. Alright? Positive charge will be given. So, what is that? Electric field lines. Is the direction of electric field lines. Correct? At this point, I will consider point P. Is the point O. Alright? This is the point A. So from here to here, I can infinity. Here Q naught will be there. What is that? Q naught. So now test charge we can bring from infinity to A or infinity to point P. Infinity to point P or else point B. Infinity to point B. Required work done is known as electrostatic potential. So that's what here potential we can represent it as V. Potential represented as V. So work done from 1 to 2. Generally we can call 1 to 2. From 1 to 2 mean infinity. I given right? Infinity. So from infinity to this point. Which one we have to bring? Q naught. So this is the formula for electrostatic potential. Very important formula. General formula. Gauss law is Q by epsilon naught. Correct? Q by W. Q by W. No. Work done per unit charge. Remember, work done per unit charge. The amount of work done to bring unit charge from infinity to that point. Work done by unit charge is known as electrostatic potential. Remember the definition also. What is that? The work done per unit charge. Shortcut definition this is. Electrostatic potential is nothing but the work done per unit charge. Same gravitational field also. Correct? Did you remember gravitational field? The amount of work done bringing unit mass from infinity to that field. Unit mass. The amount of work done. Correct? W by m naught. W by m. That is W by m. Here also same one. The amount of work done in bringing the unit positive test charge from infinity to that point against the electric field is called electrostatic potential. Formula is V is W by Q naught. Now for SI unit. SI unit of electrostatic potential. Alright? SI unit of potential or electrostatic potential. So V is equal to formula W by Q naught, right? W is nothing but joule. Joule by Coulomb. Joule by Coulomb. Joule by Coulomb is nothing but volt. Joule by Coulomb is nothing but volt. Joule per Coulomb. Joule per Coulomb. So this is the volt. That's what here 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Remember, potential and potential difference we can measure with the help of voltmeter. Right? 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. That's what. Sir, what is the definition of volt, sir? Define 1 volt. Define 1 volt. Define 1 volt. 1 volt is nothing but the electric potential at a point is said to be 1 volt. What is that? The electric potential. The electric or electrostatic potential. The electric potential at a point. At a point is 1 volt. 1 volt. If potential is said to be at a point is said to be 1 volt. If 1 joule of work, 1 joule of work, 1 joule of work is to be done in bringing 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point against the electric field. Electric field. That is electric potentiality of point is point said to be point is said to be right is said to be 1 volt, said to be 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is to be done in bringing 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point against the electric field, is known as 1 volt. Generally, what is a 1 volt? 1 volt is nothing but the work done is 1 joule. Charge is 1 coulomb. That means 1 coulomb of charge bring from infinity to that point. Required work done is 1 joule. Then the potential is equal to 1 volt. Okay, 1 coulomb of charge bringing from infinity to that point. That means against the electric field. Required work done is 1 joule. Then the potential is said to be equal to 1 volt. The potential is equal to 1 volt. That is the definition of volt. Right. Next. That's the definition of volt. Finish ma? Next one, potential difference. Alright, potential difference. Potential difference is nothing but it's the same only. The amount of work done. In bringing a unit positive, bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another against the electric field. Is called potential difference. Remember, potential difference. That means, so here positive charge will be there plus. As the O point. From here to here P point. From here to here B point. From here to here A point. So from here to here infinity. Correct? So for example here test charge Q0 will be there. Q0 bring from infinity to A. That is potential VA. Next Q0 bring from infinity to B. That potential is VB. The difference between potential at B and potential at A is known as potential difference. This difference. Okay. From here to here, what is that? VA. From here to here, VB. Between difference. Correct? Which is maximum, which is minimum? VA is minimum, maximum, VB is maximum. Which is maximum? VR, VB. Which one will do more work done? That is maximum. Correct or not? That means here infinity to up to there. That means we done more work. That means VB is the greater. Therefore, obviously, where VA is the potential at A, VB is potential at B. So, where VB is greater than of VA, VB is greater than of VA. Right? Potential difference. The amount of work done bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another point means, so A to B. That means the difference between B and A. The potential at B is VB, at A is VA. The difference between VA and VB. The difference between VA and VB is known as potential difference. Potential difference. Therefore, potential difference we can have PD. So VB minus VA, VB minus VA is equal to work done by unit positive charge. Unit positive charge, correct? Unit positive charge bringing from infinity to A and infinity to B. That difference potential, the difference between B and A, that potential is known as potential difference. Correct? That is the formula. So potential difference VB minus VA is equal to W by Q naught. So this one we can write it VBA also. VBA is W by Q naught. W by Q naught. Are you clear, everybody? So this is the potential difference. Potential difference. And potential difference. Potential difference we can measure. We can measure in volt with the help of voltmeter. With help of voltmeter. Voltmeter is the device which is used to measure the potential difference. Potential difference. And one more point mark. So what is the high given? SI unit high, dimension for did not given. Remember. So potential and potential difference. So both are scalar quantities only. Scalar quantities. Both are scalar quantities. Remember. Both are scalar quantities. SI unit is what? Volt. SI unit is what? Volt. Then what is the dimensional formula? What is the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula of volt. V. Alright, what is the V formula? V is equal to W by Q. Means joule by coulomb. Joule by coulomb. What is the joule? Newton into meter. This is the coulomb only. Correct? Then next. Newton mean M T power minus 2. Correct? ML T power minus 2. And this one L. Length. Divided by coulomb. A into T. Transfer to numerator. Therefore M L into L square. T power minus 2, T power minus 1, minus 3 and A power minus 1 is the dimensional formula. DMF of potential. DMF of potential. So finish mark. Now 3 mark question. Very important. 3 mark card. Sometimes they will ask, some cases 5 mark also. Okay, so everybody now rejoin me, please. So middle of the time it can. Right. So now third question, electric potential due to point charge. So now fourth question, very important, 5 mark or 3 mark. So sometimes 3 marks, sometimes some cases 5 marks they will give you. Okay, fourth question, electric potential. Electric potential due to a point charge. Due to a point charge. Same concept I have given for electric field purpose also. Electric field at a point charge. Correct? Isolated point charge. Like that I have given. Similarly here also. Right. So consider, so at O, positive source is the positive source, right, charge. Then here is a point O. Now this point is P, I will give you. From here to here distance I will give you R. So next here B, here A, right. So now here infinity. So Q naught will be there at infinity. Is the point A and the point B. So from A to O to A, I will consider X distance. X distance, very important man. Concept is very easy. I took positive charge at O. Now electric field acting in this direction. Correct only na? So I told very clearly against like that only. So that word, did you understand why I am calling that word? How I am saying electric field acting this side. This is the electric field direction. But our work done is having here against, that means opposite to. Opposite to. Correct? So that's what I am using always. Against. Now only we join, right? So very black. I will change the network. Is it clear now? Okay. Is it clear? Okay, right, good man. So, electric field acting always positive to negative. Positive to negative. Alright? Now, charge, unit test charge, we are bringing from infinity to in this direction. Against the electric field. At the same time, remember, ma? So, first one was better. So, first one is better. Sir, video is not clear. Yes, sir. Time is not there. Yeah, I changed again. Network. Video not clear. E. What is that E? Okay. Alright. See that. So the charge moved from Q infinity to this point. So now this is the for calculation purpose. I will select small work done and a small displacement. Okay, na? So this is the difference only. Na? This is the potential difference, right? Yes or no? Potential difference. Alright. So from here to here, I will consider small distance. That is the dx. Your work is dw. Displacement is acting this direction. Electric field acting like that only. Electric field acting this direction, and this is displacement acting like that one. This is, I will consider force also. Is the force. Why? Because E is equal to F by Q naught only, na? F by Q naught. Correct? So that's what I took there. Instead of E, F, or instead of F, E. So force is this direction, displacement is in this direction. Their work done is equal to, their work done is equal to what? Their work done is equal to how much? Alright? This is a small distance, this is a small work done. small work done. Therefore, from figure, work done, dW is equal to force into displacement into cos 180. Correct or wrong? 180 degrees. Why? Because F is that side, is that this side. Therefore, theta is equal to 180 degrees. So, cos 180 minus, so into dx is equal to dw. Correct? Then next, so dw is equal to minus f is equal to k into q naught by how much distance? X distance into dx. Now both sides you can do integration. Dw is equal to minus k q naught take common, so integral 1 by x square dx. Limits are infinity to reference point is p. So infinity to r. Correct? So dw is equal to w minus k into q naught. You know formula, integral 1 by x square dx is equal to minus x. Minus 1 by x is the formula. So minus 1 by x infinity to r. Minus get cancelled. Now substitute upper limit or lower limit. K into q naught into upper limit 1 by r, lower limit is infinity. So infinity value equal to 0. Now main w is equal to k into q naught by r. Equation number 1. And from potential formula. What is potential? V is equal to W by Q naught. Correct? Potential W by Q naught. Therefore, what we can write? W is equal to K Q naught by R from 1. And this is the Q naught. Q naught get cancelled. Therefore, formula K into Q by R. Right. So finally, I will write formula here. Remember, what is that formula? V is equal to K into Q by R. Or else 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. This is our formula. This one also our formula. What is the relation? V is inversely proportional to R. If I draw graph, x-axis and y-axis, this is the potential, this is the distance. So the graph